So this is it. Raining Blood is a great example for time feel changes, and for you the task to do the time feel hopping, which means you jump between real time, half time, double time, back and forth, and you feel convenient. So we're going to do the counting and have the tempo level of Raining Blood set down, okay, to like around about 75%, so that we have time to do the counting and get used to it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, counting in real time on all beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now switching to double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very important, like, that all the musicians involved when playing this riff have the same understanding and interpretation of the time feel, okay? So everybody like feeling and counting in half time. This will make the riff sound very, very heavy, like very menacing, like building up tension until everything explodes, like everything is like really like heading towards that incredibly like massively sounding chorus, okay? So that's why I'm talking about all this. So all the musicians that like are involved in playing, for example, Raining Blood, they should have the same understanding of each time feel as it happens. That's very, very important, okay? So if you have like 2 or 3 guys feeling a riff in real time, yeah, and there's a fourth guy or 4th and 5th guy feeling or interpreting that riff in double time or half time for whatever reason, everything would sound way different, and especially in rock and metal, all the power, all the massiveness would get lost instantly, okay? It would even not like build up, okay? So that's why this is so crucial, okay? Maybe you have never heard about that, but I tell you that this is an issue, and if you know how to deal with that, this will help you and your band like step forward and sound way, way heavier, okay?